Hey there humans, so we are back in NotebookLM today because there have been quite a number of new updates and new features in one of the tools that I love a lot. If you follow my newsletter, you know I keep talking about this constantly. So today I want to show you the new infographic feature. There's quite a few features that are now available. There's a bunch of videos on my YouTube channel and I'll be sharing them on LinkedIn as well. But today we're going to look at the infographic feature. Infographics are still quite funny to me because they still feel 90s and early noughties as well. But what I'm going to do is show you how to create an infographic based off of the data in your current notebook. So you get something that looks a little like this. This is just an example. I'll show you how you can tailor this as well and how to select specific bits of excerpts from your data. So first things first, you will see on the right hand side here, we've got this new infographic feature now. Now, before we go in and click infographic, you can do that if you want to. You can just do a one-shot infographic, which basically just means you click infographic, NotebookLM will look at all of the data that you've got and create an infographic based off of that. But if you want to be smarter, what you want to do is hit this little pencil icon here. And then what we'll get is this customization feature. So a couple of things here. We can have landscape, portrait, square as an orientation. Choose different languages, which is fantastic. Sometimes that's not always available. And they've also got the level of detail. So we can make it concise. We can make it standard. That's what I had on the other one previously. Or we could be detailed. Now, do be aware that detailed is in beta at the moment in time. I've tried it. It can be a little bit hit and miss, so it is new. Now, what I'm going to do in this example is we'll just say concise, and then I can say here, describe the infographic that I want to create. And I can do a number of things here. So I can talk about what I want the infographic to focus on, but I can also look at the style, the color, and the focus that I've got here. So I'm going to say focus on the key insights on the future of jobs, because the research that I've got on here is the future of jobs report from World Economic Forum and also a report from Microsoft on agent and human teams. So I'm going to say focus on the key insights on the future of work and skills from the available content. And I'll say let's use a cyberpunk style, because everyone loves doing that, in a minimal, cyberpunk style in a minimal setting. Don't know if that makes sense, but we'll find out. So let's just hit generate and we will see what happens here. This could take some time, so I'm going to pause this for now and we'll come back in a few seconds. Okay, that's all done. So let us take a look and see what the final product is. And I must say, this took a lot longer than I'd anticipated. Okay, I'm happy with that wait. That is pretty cool. I'm loving that cyberpunky style, I must say. Far better than the first one that I attempted to do. And actually, I think most of the writing looks pretty good on this. So there you go, folks. There is that new capability in NotebookLM for infographics. You can see the prompt that I've got at the top here as well. I'm sure you can come up with some pretty cool ones too. I'd love to see what you do, some of the prompts that you use to get the best out of this. And I will speak to you in the next one. Ciao.